Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing the app and creating the Docker file so building is reproducible. First, confirm Node.js and your Next.js project are ready, then add a Docker ignore to keep images small by excluding node modules and Next, write a multi-stage Docker file. Use an official node base, set a workdir copy package. JSON and lock file, install dependencies, copy source, run next build, and set a lightweight runtime stage to run next start. This speeds builds and reduces final image size. Once the Docker file exists, build and configure the image to run reliably in any environment. Run docker build tmynextapp, and pass build args if needed. Make sure you expose port 3000 and set node env equals production so Next optimizes output. Create a non-root user in the runtime stage to improve security and remove dev dependencies during build to shrink the image. Finally, test locally with docker run p3000, 3000 mynextapp, and verify pages render and API routes respond. To finish, deploy the image and add orchestration so your Next.js app scales. Push the image to a container registry and use Docker Compose or Kubernetes to define replicas, env files, and health checks. For development, mount source as a volume to enable hot reload, but avoid that in production. If something goes wrong, inspect Docker build and container logs, confirm node and package versions match locally, clear Docker cache or rebuild layers, and ensure environment variables like host and port are set correctly to resolve common failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.